I said dance. So, especially if I am talking about dance, is according to Bharat Muni Natya Shastra book, it is an abhinay. What is this? अभिनय. और अभिनय क्या है? Yes, tell me. It is an expression of limbs, expression of speech, and true expression. And one I said that costume and scene at the back. Yes. कई बार आपने देखा भी कि इमोशंस को शो करने के लिए हाथों को दिखाया जाता है. यस और नॉट? एंड इफ कथकली में आप जाएंगे, दैट इज इन द केरला, दैट इज इन 24 हस्त लक्षणा. देखा होगा ना, वो पूरा लगा के खड़े रहते हैं, पता ही नहीं चलता पीछे कौन है ना. सो दैट इज आई सेड दैट हु. और उनके हाथों से बहुत लक्षण दिखता है. तो उनके जो आंख नहीं, हैंड, वो तो आंख ऐसा करते रहते हैं, हैंड भी है, लेकिन हाथों से आई सेड दैट देयर आफ्टर आईज आर मोर एक्सप्रेसिव. यस और नॉट? एंड देन होल बॉडी मूवमेंट्स that expresses. So I said that expression of limbs. Is it okay? And expression of speech. क्योंकि जब भी in कथकली, in कथक of, I said that if you'll go into UP and the northern India, if you'll see there is a katha and kathaka. Katha and Kathaka. Katha means story and Kathaka means the who is telling about. So इसका मतलब है कि there is a speech is very much important. Sometimes आपको उसके बोलने के तरीके से भी आपको लगता है कि कुछ ना कुछ होने जा रहा है. The way he expresses. Yes or not? कभी कभी आप in the radio and some channels if you are listening, the only the portion and he is talking about some story about the ghost, वो उसमें सुनाकर ही डरा देता है. And you started imagining a lot. The expression of speech. And the time, the speech can also include music and all these things. And the true emotions, it is an expression of what I said, that person through their emotion, sentiments. ये अच्छे कलाकार को ही आ सकता है. This other can be done. Limbs movement, yes, dance सीख लिया, you can do like, yes. I said that expression of speech, it is done by the background, but the true expression done by itself. जब body, the limbs movement or body movements is known as nritta, N-R-I-T-T-A. The body movement or expression of limbs is known as, I said that, tell me, Nritta. What it is known as? Nritta. And when you are emotional angle, when you are showing, expressing yourself, it is known as, I said that your emotions, sentiments, it is known as Nritya. Nritya. N-R-I-T-T-A. N-R-I-T-Y-A. Nritya. Means I said that what you are doing? Emotional angle that you are showing. Yes or not? And that is, and then expression of it is already done by someone else. Yes or not? Yes, the true expression, it is including of nritya. Yes or not? First point. And then it is, I said that abhinay, you can say the drama. I said drama kind of it, the whatever you are doing over there on the stage. And then कथकली में चले जाएंगे तो क्या है, कॉस्ट्यूम इज द मेजर इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट. देखते ही बोलोगे ये कथकली है. यस नॉट? KATHA फिर का कथक फिर कली, तो दो बार के आ गया ना. एक बार कथक का के पहला और दूसरा का, तीसरा का भी आ गया कली. देन इट इज नोन एज केरला. और कथक इज इन द व्हाट? नॉर्थ. इज इट ओके? So you can have what I said, that expression of limbs, expression of speech, true expressions, and we have been able to see costume and scene. Shall I remove? There was, I said that a demon, its name was Tripursara. And he was killed by whom? I said that Shiva. And after that Shiva is doing Tandav. That is Nataraja Sep and all. Tandav. Who is doing? Yes, tell me. Shiva was doing what? And thereafter then one woman came, and then goddess Uma. Who came? Goddess Uma. उन्होंने पूरा श्रृंगार किया, and very soft dance did. Sringarik and what she did? Sringarik and what? Soft dance. Is it okay? To pacify whom? Shiva. To pacify whom? Shiva. And that dance is known as Lasya. So which are the two dances we have seen? Yes, tell me. Tandav, Lasya. Yes or not? And this Lasya was taught to one Usha, and Usha was the daughter of Bansura, one demon. Bansura one, लास्ट में सुर रहना ही जरूरी है, असुर. Lasya. So Lasya was taught to the who? The daughter of Usha. The daughter of Bansura, that it is Usha. अब यहाँ से it has been said that our dance, जितने भी हमारे डांस हैं, major dance has been originated. तो हमारे डांस कहां से ओरिजिनेट हुए हैं? यस, टेल मी. Lasya. And the Lasya is done by whom? Yes, female. It is in a feminine. Tandav is manly, and the Lasya is what I said that. Feminine. What? Clear? Who is doing? Yes, tell me. Demon. What is the name? Tripurasura? Shiva. And then Shiva, after killing him, he started doing Tandav. And it is what mainly. And then goddess Uma, who tried to, what I said, that pacify this, and thereafter he did in a Sringar, and then she did soft dance. And this dance is known as what? Lasya. And this Lasya dance is considered as, and I said, that taught to the Usha, the daughter of one demon, Bansura. And then the major dance of India, चाहे वो आप भरतनाट्यम, कथकली, कुचिपुड़ी, Odissi, the major of the, most of the dance are originated somewhere from the which? Lasya. Understood it? And in this there is an, I said that 108 poses are there. कितने poses हैं? How many poses? How many poses? And these poses are known as, then this poses को क्या बोलूँगा मैं? करना. अरे 108 पोज करना नहीं समझे? 108 पोज करना, करो ना. यस. 108 पोज करते करते आपके बॉडी में पेन हो जाएगा कि नहीं? यस टेल मी. अंग हार जाएगा. And this sequential process are known as what? Sequential process is known as, yes, tell me. Angahar. Karana. And what I said that? Angahar. Is it okay? Is it okay? Demon, what is the name? Demon Tripurasura, Shiva, Tando, he started doing mainly. Yes. And then goddess Uma tried to pacify, and she has done Sringarik and the soft dance. This is known as the Lasya. It has been taught to Usa, and Usa se further it has been gone to the us.